All right, I got a 2018 Explorer. It's my mom's car. Figured she asked if I'd do the back brakes because I think the oil change place, whatever, said it needed back brakes. So yeah, I'll do that. What I didn't know about these, I've learned to get these back calipers, only for the backs, to retract, because the park brakes inside the caliper itself, you have to spin this. They want to sell you a tool to spin that, but it's not too hard to spin. You can grab it with a pair of pliers and get it rotate on it. It seems to go, so if your lever is headed this way, it goes with the lever to retract it. So you'll spin it, put your C-clamp on, and just keep a little pressure. It's just about hand tight is all you want, so you don't bind this up too bad. But anyways, yeah, they say you need a special tool that fits in there, but you can grab it with a pair of channel locks and it'll be fine. I'll see if I can kind of set this up where you can see it. Yeah, you put a little tension on it like that. Grab it and spin it in. And see it flax up. Cinch it again. Just like that. Pretty simple. Well, it's not, but you don't need a special tool. So there you go.